Daily routines vocabulary. Wake up. I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. Get up. I get up quickly after my alarm rings. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. Drink coffee. I drink my morning coffee. Prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast for my family. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at 6 o'clock. Get dressed. I get dressed comfortable clothes for work. Put on makeup. I put on simple makeup. Put on shoes. I put on my shoes. Go to work. I go to work by bus. Work. I start my work at 9 a.m. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Finish work. I finish work at 6 p.m. Go home. I go home by bus. Cook dinner. I cook dinner for my family. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 8 p.m. Take out the trash. I take out the trash every day. Exercise. I do some simple physical exercises. Take a shower. I take a shower quickly. I dry my hair. Read a book. I read a book before bed. Go to the bed. I go to the bed around 10 p.m. every night.